Hey, what's up all? So we've been checking out the GeekTale smart door handle here. Now this door handle will open up with fingerprints. It supports 2 admin fingerprints and up to 20 different users on here. So that's pretty awesome. There is no app integration on this particular model. Now they do have ones that will work with that. So this also has a USB override because there are batteries in here that power it. So if you were happen to lose power, you can get one of those USB battery packs, give it a little power and override it. There is also a key override, which it comes with 2 master keys that you could always override the handle and open it up. So let me just go ahead, do that. Very easy to set up. You can see how that unlocked. Now you can turn on and turn off those voice prompts if you don't want to use them. So in here, you'll also see there is the button to do the programming. Really easy to install. And I was able to install this right in place of the other door knob that was there. Really didn't have to do anything. It does come with all the parts that you need. So if you don't have a strike plate or anything like that, very easy to do, easy to install, and very easy to set up. Now, again, this one does not have the app capability with it, so you can't monitor who's going in and out of the door. I set it up here on the pantry door thinking that, hey, this would be great because I thought this was the app one. I was wrong. This is not the app one, so I can't monitor who's going in. So if it was me and the kids and everybody else, all their fingerprints are on here if I wanted to do that, and it would allow them to go in and out anytime. I can't say, hey, at 10 p.m., no longer allow these fingerprints. So for me, this is not gonna work for this situation for what I wanted to, but I really do like this smart door handle, and I'm gonna move it to a different location where really they don't need to get into, and it's only me and my wife that are gonna access that door. And this would be great for someone, maybe you have a rental and you allow people to rent your property and you don't want them to get into that master closet or something like that, and only allow access to yourself. You can set it up with your fingerprint, maybe one other person, and you're good to go. For that situation, I think it's awesome. Now we're looking forward to check out the app version because I want to really switch this out and control who's going in and out of the pantry. And I think that will be key, no pun intended, to doing that. But if you're looking for something simple like this, that's gonna use a biometric fingerprint and easy to install, easy to set up, and a really great looking design. It even has this little reflector right there, so at night you can always see it. But awesome, awesome product, and I think you'll like it too if this is what you're looking for.